First of all, I think that this is a potentially huge impact on the residents of the city of Takoma Park, and I really appreciate the many residents of the city who brought this to us and asked us for this resolution, and that's why I introduced the resolution and fully support it. I wonder though, I noticed that there have been a couple of pieces taken out of this, and I wonder if I could get clarification on that.
I was actually out of the office last week.
So city attorney is here, and she might wish to address this. I believe that the city clerk had shared with her the draft legislation. I believe it was the recommendation of the city attorney to take certain sections out pending some research.
Thank you.
Do we have a copy?
Thank you. First of all, taking them out was certainly not an opinion of mine that they were inappropriate or illegal. It was more to say that they required legal research, and I was first shown this resolution late in the week. I think it was Thursday or Friday.
For those who were watching, what were the pieces that got taken out?
There were both that bound the city not to cooperate with the federal government. One of them, I don't have it in front of me. Wasn't that in the cover of the memo?
Yes.
So I can read them for the members of the public. It was the following two sections, neither of which were researched. Number one, we instruct all our public agencies to decline requests by federal agencies acting under detention powers granted by the NDAA that could infringe upon residents' freedom of speech, religion, assembly, privacy, or rights of trial and counsel. And then the other one was, we expect all federal and state law enforcement officials acting within the city to work in accordance with local law and in cooperation with the City of Takoma Park Police Department by allowing any detainees among Takoma Park's residents or visitors access to a trial, counsel, and due process as provided by Article 3 of the Constitution of the United States. So in other words, these two sections were much more than expressing an opinion by the City Council about this subject, but also mandating that our city officials act in a particular way. I would suggest that those things would require at least an ordinance, not just a resolution, and the whole question of federal, local federalism comes into question. So again, please do not take this as my saying that this should not or could not be done. It's more that it's not something that one can do without research.
Okay, thank you. I understand your position on that, and I appreciate your feedback on all the different resolutions that we put through. I would like to suggest to my colleagues that we ask the city attorney to do this research, but not hold up the passing this resolution. In doing so, we can always revisit it if in fact we find that it is acceptable and allowable that we take those actions.
And we could determine whether we wanted to do that, and if we did it, we would do it after getting a sense from